One of the metaphors that the Bible uses to describe the church is family. Not because families are perfect or because families have it all together, but because family is designed to support one another, to encourage one another through difficult times, but also to celebrate together all the goodness and the joy that life has to offer. At Glad Tidings Church, having a sense of family is really important to us. And we just like to take a few minutes to share with you a few real-life stories from around our church, and let's celebrate together all the great things that God is doing in the GT family.
Girls Night Out partnered with the steering committee at Glad Tidings for ladies' functions, and we were privileged to host over 520 ladies right here at Glad Tidings in a citywide, just open to anyone kind of a thing. Tremendous time. We had a lot of fun. With so many people coming, we couldn't believe 520 ladies showing up here. The whole foyer was packed with ladies waiting for the doors to open. We ran out of tickets. It was just unreal. It was absolutely surreal to see so many people come. It was just a really fun night, food, fellowship, and a lot of laughs.
Silver Chorus was started about 3 years ago by Sylvia Fry, and not only do we sing, we have a great time of fellowship together. We started with only 6 or 7 in the choir, and now we're up to 30 plus. And we sing, and we go to nursing homes and retirement homes and different group settings. How it made me feel, I thought, thank you, Lord, that this choir is available to these folks to lift their spirit. And I thought, Lord, yes, we are here in the right place. And may we help these people and bless these people with our singing.
Hey, we're winding down an awesome school year at the Fuse, and summer's almost here. But a couple weeks ago, we got to go to Overflow Youth Conference in Waterloo, and it was a life-changing experience for a number of students, and we just wanted to share a little bit about that with you.
Hey, hi, I'm Desiree. I started coming to Glad Tidings in December because my friend invited me to a Christmas banquet, and I've been coming every weekend since. And a couple weeks ago we went to Overflow, and I got to go with the church, and I was with my friends, and it was really fun, and it was like one of the best weekends I've spent with the church. And I guess God was just saying like that even if I'm having struggles, I can look to Him and He'll help me, and if I start drifting apart from God, all I have to do is try and like look to Him again, and yeah, He'll come closer with me. So yeah.
Chains in my life, your grace is the reason why I'm alive. Your love is the reason